Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drum sanders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the WEN DS164 20-piece sanding drum kit. This is the budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $7.33, making it an excellent choice for DIYers looking for a cost-effective solution. The kit includes 4 sanding drums and 16 sandpaper sleeves, with grit options ranging from 80 to 120. These sanding drums are compatible with most drill presses and power drills, so you can easily integrate them into your existing tools. The set is perfect for sanding small curves, contours, and irregular shapes, ideal for woodworking and light material polishing. The design is simple but functional, with aluminum oxide sandpaper, ensuring durability and effective sanding. While the build quality is decent for its price, keep in mind that this kit is not suited for heavy-duty projects. Performance-wise, it's great for small-scale tasks, but might struggle with larger, more demanding surfaces. The lightweight drums are easy to use and offer decent precision, but they lack the robustness of higher-end models. Overall, if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional sanding for smaller projects, the WEN DS164 is a great entry-level option. However, it's not ideal for professionals or frequent use. Pros: affordable, versatile, and easy to use. Cons: limited durability and not suited for heavy-duty tasks. Coming in at number 4 is the PowerTech 71634 20-piece drill press sanding drum kit. Priced at $19.99, this kit offers a step up from the WEN DS164 by including premium features like a molded carrying case and durable sanding sleeves. It comes with 4 long sanding barrel arbor drums and 16 sanding bands, offering a variety of sizes and grit levels, 80 and 120, for versatile applications. The kit is designed for sanding holes, contours, and irregular shapes, making it suitable for both DIY and professional woodworking tasks. The build quality is impressive, with stainless steel drum bits and aluminum oxide sandpaper ensuring durability and precision. The drums are easy to attach to most drill presses and power drills, and the included carrying case keeps everything organized, which is a nice touch for portability. Performance-wise, the PowerTech kit is reliable for smoothing edges and polishing both soft and hard materials, including wood, plastics, and metals. However, it's still limited to smaller-scale projects and lacks the power needed for heavy-duty sanding. This kit is an excellent middle ground option for hobbyists or professionals who need a versatile set for detailed work. Pros: durable, versatile, and includes a carrying case. Cons: limited power for larger projects and slightly pricier than the budget option. At number 3, we have the Better DBDS 500 drum sander for woodworking. This is a versatile surface conditioning and polishing machine priced at $104.49. With a 4.5 amp motor and variable speed control, this tool is designed for a wide range of applications, from rust removal to texture cleaning and chip removal. The side cover allows for quick sandpaper changes, while the adjustable frontal handle ensures comfortable operation during extended use. It also features a dust hood compatible with vacuum systems, helping to maintain a clean work environment. The build quality is solid, with a lightweight yet durable design that makes it easy to maneuver. The variety of working wheels and included sandpapers provide flexibility for different surface treatments, whether you're working on wood, metal, or paint stripping. Performance-wise, the DBDS 500 delivers consistent results and is capable of handling medium-duty tasks, making it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists. However, its relatively compact size limits its ability to tackle large-scale projects efficiently. Overall, the Better DBDS 500 is a reliable option for users seeking a versatile and efficient drum sander without breaking the bank. Pros: versatile applications, variable speed control, and dust collection compatibility. Cons: limited for heavy-duty tasks and slightly higher price point. Taking the number 2 spot is the WEN 650T benchtop belt and disc sander. At $108.30, this 2-in-1 machine combines a 4x36-inch belt and a 6-inch disc, making it a versatile option for a variety of sanding needs. The belt can tilt from 0 to 90 degrees, allowing you to sand both flat surfaces and edges with ease. With a sturdy cast iron base, this sander minimizes vibrations during operation, and the 4.3 amp motor provides up to 3,600 RPM, ensuring efficient sanding performance. The tension release lever makes swapping sandpaper grits quick and simple. In terms of design, the WEN 650T is built for durability and stability, weighing nearly 38 pounds to prevent wobbling during use. The coarse grit type is great for heavy-duty sanding tasks, making it ideal for woodworking projects that require precision and power. Performance-wise, this machine excels in delivering smooth finishes, but its larger size means it's better suited for stationary use rather than portability. If you're looking for a reliable mid-range drum sander with a solid build and excellent versatility, the WEN 650T is a fantastic choice. Pros: durable, versatile, and powerful. Cons: heavy and less portable. Finally, at number 1, we have the WEN 6524 oscillating belt and spindle sander. Priced at $197.40, this premium machine is designed for users who demand top-tier performance and versatility. Featuring 5 sanding drum sizes and one 4x24-inch belt, this sander delivers belt speeds up to 1,575 FPM and spindle speeds up to 2,000 RPM. The 3.5 amp motor oscillates 58 times per minute, ensuring precise and consistent sanding. Onboard storage keeps all accessories organized, and the beveling work table adds even more flexibility for angled work. The build quality is exceptional, with a compact yet sturdy design that minimizes vibrations during operation. The included throat plates and rubber sanding drums make it suitable for tackling both small and large projects. Performance-wise, the oscillating motion ensures even sanding, reducing the risk of uneven surfaces and burn marks. It's ideal for professionals and serious hobbyists who need a machine capable of handling demanding tasks with precision. While it's the priciest option on the list, its robust features and top-notch performance justify the investment. If you're looking for the best drum sander on the market, the WEN 6524 stands out as the ultimate choice. Pros: premium build, versatile features, and powerful performance. Cons: high price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.